friends, it's Jenny. Today I'm going to be making some almond butter chocolate chip cookies. In a mixing bowl, add some almond flour, oats, I'm using gluten-free, baking powder, and some sea salt. And give that a nice little stir. Into the same bowl, add some almond butter. I'm using regular, not salted almond butter. Vanilla, maple syrup, and non-dairy milk. Give it a couple stirs, and then you can add in some non-dairy chocolate chips. Keep stirring until everything is mixed up really well. Grab a tablespoon and portion out 2 tablespoons worth of dough for each cookie. This recipe makes about 15 cookies, so on this tray I have 12 and on another tray I have the last 3. These cookies will not flatten on their own, so grab some parchment paper and a mason jar and flatten them down. You can also use your hand, but I just find this easier and a little bit cleaner. And then you can go in with your fingers and just clean up the edges. Pop these in a 350-degree oven for 12 minutes. When they're done, let them cook on the baking sheet for 5 more minutes. While I wait on that, I'm gonna make some tea. I love tea and coffee with any kind of dessert. Y'all are gonna love this recipe. It's super easy, one bowl. The chocolate and the almond butter together is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I will see you in my next one. Bye.